The Seagull,
by Anton Chekhov.
translated by Paul Schmidt.
I'm not late. I'm not late. Am I? This play is about love and fame and how dangerous fame is.
It's just people. It's tired people, always complaining about everything.
People that are getting older, people whose lives are nearly over.
10 different people at 10 very different times in their lives, but somehow all smooshed together.
This play, to me, is about the preservation of artistic integrity.
The seagull is technically a misnomer. The gull itself is not bound by the sea.
Oh, this play has a little bit of everything. It has infidelity, sex, intrigue, family drama.
I find it quite funny, honestly. But I guess that some others might not.
Our lives are almost over.
It's life and death.
But it's also a comedy, but it's also not.
Real life, living human beings.
The show opens this Friday with Tinworks at Rialto.
You really don't want to miss this one.
We've got vodka.
Sorry, I don't know if I'm selling this at all.